Hello everyone, my name is Josh Walker. Today we are here installing our white 41-180 steering stabilizer. We're going to be installing it on the F53 Class A motorhome chassis. This particular one is going on a 22,000 pound chassis. Before we get started, you always want to make sure you read through your instructions carefully. Make sure you have all your proper safety equipment, your tools, your hardware to get the job done safely. Follow me and let's get this thing started. Step 1, you're going to want to pull the vehicle in a straight position so you can gain access under the vehicle. Step 2, you're going to want to remove the 2 existing nuts and washers from the driver's side leaf spring assembly. Step 3, next we're going to install anchor bracket to the driver's side leaf spring assembly. Please note the 45-degree angle of the bracket must be facing the driver wheel for proper installation. Next you want to tighten and torque the anchor bracket to 250 foot-pounds. Step 4, remove debris from the tie rod with the Scotch-Brite pad. Step 5, install the tie rod bracket on the passenger side. Do not fully tighten at this time. Step 6, install large end of Safety Plus to bottom of the anchor bracket. Do not fully tighten this at this time. Step 7, loosely install the small end of the Safety Plus to the top side of the tie rod bracket. Step 8, finish your install by tightening and torquing. Both ends of the unit need to be torqued to 120 foot-pounds of torque. The U-bolts are to be torqued to 20 foot-pounds. Step 9A, now you're ready for a road test. Make sure the unit clears all parts of the vehicle when completing a left and right hand turn. Alright, that concludes today's installs. We hope that you found this video very helpful. Please don't hesitate to give us a call with any questions or visit our website. We are here to help. We wish you all the best and safe travel.